Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a little bit of happy mail that I got in the mail, and it's from my lovely dear friend Bonnie Nevills. Hey Bonnie, I have no idea what she sent me. It came in this lovely, look at what she did to this envelope. Isn't that amazing? It's beautiful. I believe it's a napkin or rice paper. And she's Mod Podged it with these beautiful daisies, and it goes all the way around the front. But I don't want to show you because there's addresses on the front, but it looks like that. It's so pretty. So I have opened it, but let me pull out what's inside. Oh my gosh, and she's decoupaged that as well. There, you can see there the corner of the envelope. Bonnie, what did you do? Is there, oh, there's a little tag here. Look at that. It says, "Hi Kim, I heard you say something about a napkin swap. I don't need napkins, but I have a lot to share. Hope you can use these, if not pass them on. Hugs, Bonnie." Oh my goodness, I did say that one day. That was a couple weeks ago when I was doing my live with Siobhan and we were making that fabric with the napkins. Oh, Bonnie, you're so sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Let me turn them this way so you guys can see. That's my cat. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Oh, I love those. They're hyacinth, I believe. Or lilacs. They're hyacinth. Yeah. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Am I in frame? Yeah. Oh, these are gorgeous, Bonnie. Look at these. Oh, oh my gosh. I love these. And it's funny too because I was thinking of doing a tutorial for you guys using napkins. So I'm going to be using these, I think. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Wow. Oh, I love them. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at these. These are zinnias. Oh, I love those. Oh, this is tulips. Let me open that up. Look at that. So pretty. I love that light minty green. And these are also tulips. Let me open this up. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I love this. Oh, that says love is in the air. Look at that. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. Oh, look at the butterflies. I've never seen these before. Really, I've never seen napkins like these. Oh, I love this. Look at that one's like a map. Oh, these are amazing, Bonnie. Oh, and look at this one. You know how I love butterflies. Oh, these are incredible. Oh, and look at this. That says, it's got like a stamp on it. It says, Violet's Faithfulness. And it's got music paper in the background and script. I think it goes that way. I'm not sure though. Yeah, it goes that way. It's got script and words. Oh, so pretty. These are amazing. It's an amaryllis. Oh, look at. Oh, these are gorgeous. I don't have any of these. I've never seen these. Look at that. Love the script. Oh, I cannot wait to play with these. Bonnie, these are just incredible. I love the color in this one. It's like my favorite color right there, that beautiful aqua. Oh, I love that. Oh, and this is the one she used on the little tag. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, nice. Pine cones and a bird. Very Christmassy. I love that. And oh, look at a peony in a mason jar. Super pretty as well. Hummingbirds. Oh, my gosh, you sent so many. And oh, look at that's like a watercolor flower. I love that. It looks like watercolor. That's amazing. Oh, I love that. Oh, and the black and white one. I do not have a black and white napkin at all. Oh, Bonnie, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. That was just so sweet of you to send me those. Aw, you're just such a lovely lady and so kind and so talented. And I will have a link to Bonnie's YouTube channel down in the description box for you guys. These are amazing. And she's such a talented crafter too. She entered my my pocket challenge as well. And her work is amazing. And she's also a fellow Canadian crafter. These are just beautiful. Oh, what a little treasure trove here. Thank you so much, Bonnie. That was so kind and so sweet of you, and I really totally appreciate that. You're definitely going to see me use these napkins. Oh, and my phone's ringing. So I will go get that. Thank you, Bonnie, and I'll be back with another video soon, guys. Thanks, Bonnie. Bye-bye.